Try to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6 moving in the area.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-national group. They'll handle operations in the east after the attack.
Right. Take the front row.
You know I do. But this operation failed, so why
It did not fail.
Shit.
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entering through the front door.
What's going on?
Bravo 6 moving to the first floor.
What are you doing? Who's up there? What do you mean? Out in the bathroom. Get the shotgun.
Target behind the door.
X-ray down.
Two X-rays down.
Copy.
Make sure this floor's secure.
First floor secure.
On me. Bravo 6 moving to the second floor.
Open the door!
What are you doing?
Floor secure.
Right up the stairs.
Hang in there, mate. I got you.
Bravo 6 taking the third floor.
I'm going home. I will not betray the wall. Then let me help. I don't want to be here if you're gone. Just let me go. Get here. Let me go.
Take your shots.
Hands up! Now! Don't move! Secure him. Shut the kid up. Secure.
First floor. Take points.
Locked.
I've got it. Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill me!
Don't move!
They locked me in here!
Drop him.
Stop! Clear.
All teams, Townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Copy, boss.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
I'll bet your ass. We got a location on the wolf.